Alam mo ne, sabi ni Ipal ne, sabi niya ne, huwag ka ne, magpakasiguro ne, maghintay kay Auntie Vivian ne, kasi ne, sabi ng mga tao dito ne, sa Tanmamak ne, kapag illegal ka ne, papatayin ka ne, talaga? Wow! Saang lo banda? Lo mo lo. Kapag illegal ang Pilipina na nasa Europe, Philippine Embassy ang kukuha para ibalik sa Pilipinas ang isang Pilipina. Take note Denmark, tatandaan nyo to Denmark, remember these words. If there's a Filipina have a problems in Denmark to your own country, you have rights to call Philippine Embassy to get this Filipina and send to your own country in Philippines. And take note, if you can understand the law of Philippines, Filipina have rights to go back alive. If you don't like the Filipinas stay here in Denmark, stay them back to Philippines alive. You don't have rights to kill Filipina in this country because all people in Denmark, they hate one Filipina. Now, do you understand what is the meaning of law? You need to follow the law. And I don't like that you use Filipina's mouth to make noise and make me nervous or make me panic because of bullshit brain. I'm a high school graduate only, but you cannot put me down and erase to my brain that I don't have rights to go back to Philippines because no one come out to this country if you make trouble. Hello, accept your troubles and punishment. Yeah, that's it. Bye.